Hi, I'm Marissa, and welcome to my Nation of Moms review of the Cozy Cat Tree furniture, and this is my cat Gracie. One of the really nice things about this Cozy Cat Tree is the material that's used. It's a very soft fleece material, and I don't know if you've ever seen a cat tree that has carpeting on it, but it's nowhere near as soft as this. So my cat enjoys kind of snuggling on the different surfaces and going in the boxes in here. She likes to sit in the window and sun herself a little bit. Again, it's very comfy and soft. One of her favorite things are the Cecil scratching posts, and she also loves the dangling mice. You can see she's having a little bit of fun with it. So one of the great things about this cat tree is that it's very tall. It has a lot of perches, and it also has different spots for your cat to sleep or just to snuggle in. Let me just show you how tall it is. Gracie's still down there having a little fun with her cat scratching post. But it definitely has all these layers for your cats to have a lot of fun with.